Hi everyone, thank you for joining me again here at Cotty Taplin Styling. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about packing the perfect capsule wardrobe for your next vacation. I happen to be taking a vacation and I thought I would use this opportunity to share a few tips with you and hopefully they can be helpful for you in the future. So there are three things that I consider when I am starting this process. They are by no means revolutionary, but I think that they are relatively important. The first one is the venue. Where are you going? On this trip, I happen to be going to my parents, so it's going to be a really casual trip. The second thing is, what activities are you going to be doing while on your trip? This is not going to be for a big event or anything, so for the most part, we're just going to be hanging out. I'm going to be working from their house, and we're probably just going to be hanging by the pool. And third, and for me, most importantly, are you going to be having access to a washer and dryer? This is a big deal when you're packing for a long trip. I'm going to be going for a couple weeks, and if you have access to a washer and dryer, what it really allows you to do is pack less of your essential items like undergarments and t-shirts and things like that. So it allows you to save space on those things and pack more of the things that you want to pack, like regular shirts and pants and shoes and all of that good stuff. So the next thing I do is I write out a packing list. I find that this is really helpful. It allows me to just go directly to the items that are on the list, pull them out of my closet or my drawers, and put them in stacks, and then they are ready to go directly into the packing cubes or suitcase, and we're good to go. So as you can see on the list here, I have created categories and then written specifically which items I am going to bring with me. So we have woven shirts, t-shirts, pants and shorts, accessories, shoes, some random items at the bottom, and then I've even written exactly what I'm going to wear on the airplane. My next step is to pull together everything that is on the packing list. As you see here, there are breakdowns of everything that I am taking with me in my suitcase. We have the woven shirts, t-shirts, pants and shorts, shoes, and accessories. So in my suitcase, I'm going to take 7 t-shirts, all of which are ostensibly neutrals. One is a tie-dye, and so it's sort of a pattern, but it's black and gray. And the others are true neutral colors. Then the pants and shorts are also all neutral. So the idea here is that you can take one piece from one category and one piece from another category, and it literally doesn't matter which, and you can pair them together. The idea is that you are on vacation, you don't want to have to think about it, and this just makes things so easy. So every single one of those t-shirts and every single one of those pants or shorts works together. So what you've done is you have created 28 different outfit possibilities with that. Now, the same thing is true with the woven shirts. There are 4 woven shirts, one of which is a print, a black and white print, but it's neutral. So that printed shirt, along with the other 3 shirts, will go with any one of the pants and shorts. So you have 4 shirts and you have 4 shorts or pants, that is 16 possible outfits there. So with your 16 woven looks and your 28 t-shirt looks, you have a total of 44 outfits that you can put together with just those few pieces. The idea here is that you make things simple for yourself. And then on top of all of that, you can start to layer a woven shirt on top of a t-shirt, and that math is too complicated and I don't really want to do it. So you can basically create an unlimited amount of outfits. Now, pairing the shoes with those outfits is also simple. With the 3 that I have chosen, you can put any one of those 3 with any one of those outfits. My sort of pop color for this season is this acid yellow. I'm not entirely sure why I fell for that color this year, but I did. And all of these 3 pairs of shoes work with all of these outfits. And the 2 shoes with the yellow in them create a nice contrast, sort of funky pop at the bottom of your outfit. Then when you combine the accessories with these outfits, you've got the green hat, the tote bag, and unfortunately right now we all need the face mask. You can create interesting, easy to do looks that take almost no thought. This is really capsule wardrobe 101 here. And it just makes life so much easier when you are going on vacation and you don't have to think about this stuff. After you've pulled all of these things, the next step for me would be to pull your bags together. I'm going to take a carry-on suitcase and a backpack that I always travel with and my packing cubes. So next step is to pack. So I am nearly done packing. I have gotten most of my stuff in the suitcase already, but I just wanted to show you a couple things. So I have a suitcase where the handle, the retractable handle for the suitcase comes down through the body and leaves these channels right here. So I use those to pack small items that can sort of squish into place. So here I've got socks and bandanas and a belt and a face mask in there. On this side of the suitcase, I have a packing cube from a company called Gonex, and it has in it my shorts, pants, woven shirts, underwear, and bathing suits. It is kind of incredible what these compression cubes can do, and if you don't have any, I highly recommend you get some. I'm not sponsored by this brand, but I bought them on Amazon, and they have served me really well. On the other side, I will put in my other packing cube, which has t-shirts and some stuff to sleep in and a few other random items. And then also, these are my shoes in shoe bags so that everything doesn't get dirty. The shoe bags were made by my niece, who is so smart, girl after my own heart. And then there you go. All done and ready to head to the airport. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you take something away from it. That's what's really important to me about all of this. And if you did, then please like the video and please subscribe to my channel. And as always, I would love to hear from you, so please comment and Please let me know if there are any topics that you would like for me to cover in the future. I would love to hear from you guys. So as always, please take care of yourselves and please stay safe, and I will see you again soon. Bye.